In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair, actually a set of cowhide kind of construction work gloves. And this is from the company Olsen Deepak, maybe is how you would say that. And I've got mine. I actually got a 2-pair pack. So you got 2 here and 2 here. And what I'm going to do for y'all today is I'm just going to kind of go over the quality and feel of these gloves. So they're made out of cowhide leather. You can see that. They have a little reinforced hanging hoop right here. So what that little hook is, you'd hang your gloves up, say like on a nail or a hook or something like that, in like a barn or even in your house somewhere. The stitching, there's a little bit of elastic on the inside right here, and you could see the leather stitching right in there like that. They're stitched all around. I like how they did the thumb and 4 fingers right here. You could see they separated the fingers and ran them around like that, and then the thumb has an overlap, so there's no restriction in the glove at all. So I've got it on right here, and I wear extra large. I'm not gonna have big hands, but I got big enough that I usually go large or extra large, and these fit very true to size. Very comfortable. Feels great on your hand. You could tell this is a leather feel. You can see the logo on the back. They have the logo kind of embossed right there, and a little bit of elastic right there. See the stitching, how they ran it down? Look at that. There's no restriction on the fingers or hands while I'm using it. This is great for anyone that's like woodworking, whether you're like cutting wood or working out on a farm, whether you're like, tying up cattle or something like that. I think these are great options for something like that at a very affordable cost. The fact that you get a 2-pack at this cost is absolutely amazing. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Olsen Deepak, cowhide work gloves. See you on the next video.